And we will be using this way more often than we did. Now we have one. Yeah. What happens when teenagers get little kids toys? Stop it! You're kidding! Stop it! No, stop that! No, I'm trying to describe it! Now. Hi guys! Here's a confession. I like shrooms. Mushroom. It's foamy. Fit your whole body in there, you freaking hoe! Get off it! You hoe! Get the bag! Oh, okay, Sarah. Yeah, let's do it. Hey! Oh, you know. Hey, will you? I'm just taking out the trash, so will you help me? It's kind of heavy. Yeah, okay. Yeah, sure. That's pretty heavy. Oh God, what have you guys done here? Are you guys throwing away? Oh God! This is the annual jousting tournament. We have Sir Asher and Sir Cheyenne. Ready?
And joust. Asher wins.
Hello, everybody. I just wanted to show you my wonderful toga. It's not a trash bag. It's a toga. It's different. Okay. These are the ending credits. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow.